Hello guys, welcome to All Things African. This is your girl Dolphin 254. So today I'm live in Kisumu City. I'm so excited guys. I'm taking you all the way to Dunga Beach. Dunga Beach is a travel destination for anyone who is traveling to Kenya for the first time or even the locals. It's actually a tourist site that is well known for its a lot of activities. We have activities like boat ride, we have ecology school, not forgetting the beautiful hotels that sell fresh fish from the lake, guys. If you are a lover of fish, you got to visit this place. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting? Just take 1 minute, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and let's do it. As you can see, we are on our way to Dunga Beach. I've just boarded a motorbike. We call these motorbikes here in Kisumu Peng. Like, I'm really enjoying the ride, guys. So I think we are almost there. Stay tuned. Oh my god, look at how these people really dispose their plastic bottles and cans. I'm really loving this idea. Like, they've made something similar to the fish. I'm really loving this experience. Yes, acha tuende boat ride. Poa. Tunakuja. Boat ride kwanza. It's always advisable that when you go to Dunga Beach, you know which activities you want to start to do first. As you can see, these ladies are just, they are waiters from the restaurants, and they're telling us to go eat the fresh fish. But according to us, we wanted to start with a boat ride. So it's a good idea to decide what you want to do first. So you can see we have a lot of activities. I want this video to be as real as possible. I won't be editing much. So you can see the activities that are going on. Those are fishermen and the ladies who sell fish. We also have fresh fish here that you can select, and it's prepared right there. So let's go straight to the boat ride, guys. Wow, we've already boarded our boats. It's now time to enjoy the boat ride. As you can see, we have our photographer there, the lady who is having the blue jacket, and we also have a tour guide. Dede, sasa hizo ni nini? Eh. Cages za samaki. Okay. Na cages za mtu mmoja ama kila mtu ako na cage yake hapa ndani? Kuna za group, kuna za individual. Oh. Wanalipisha. Wanalipwa ama wanacha kama ni kila mtu. Oh, okay. Na unajoje ni hapo? The boat ride, guys, is so amazing. If you are planning to travel to Kenya, precisely Kisumu, consider coming to Dunga Beach. You'll really enjoy everything here. You'll enjoy the food, the fish, which is their staple food, and ugali, and not forgetting the boat ride. It was so amazing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.